What you are about to see is not a joke, and it's me adulting and taking my responsibility and my shit together. You click the video, you know what we're going to talk about. Those ridiculous hardcrocs from Balenciaga. You know what? Truth be told, what happened? I sold one of my Amina Muaddi's shoes. I did a great markup, first of all. But with this money, I decided to splurge myself because it has been a while since I haven't bought something super nice to myself. So first thing that I did is to buy some Louis Vuitton shoes. Then right after that, a COS leather dress, yes. And what was my idea? To buy those clogs by Balenciaga. Anyways, on the paper, it was a good idea, but the execution was terrible. First off, my boyfriend went to pick up the package and he told me, you know what, the delivery package, I had to leave it there because it was too big. As soon as I arrived at home, you're gonna see the clip, I've seen this huge Balenciaga box. I was super excited, honestly. I opened it, I look at the dust bag, I take the dust bag, and the weight was huge. I was like, oh my God. Oh, it's going to be a success, a win, or it's going to be a massive fail. And honestly, I lied to myself for maybe 24 hours. I did that. But yet, my best friend and my boyfriend remind me that, no, Linda, you have to be an adult and be reasonable. So here they are. The insane Balenciaga hard clogs for you, ladies and gentlemen. They're huge. Even to walk with them is like something, an experience. Well, the only look that I can wear them will be like, I don't know, a top. We don't care about the top. But with my Margiela baggy pants, which I don't have because my mom is repairing them. The zip is broken, but anyways, yeah. And 750 euro to wear it with only one outfit, and honestly I'm gonna wear it maybe twice or 3 times. So the cusp of wear is not at all matching my lifestyle. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think I'm gonna try them on a last time, take picture, laugh about it, record a video, and send it back and get my money back, most importantly. But yeah, the main issue for me, you know, is that this is not a shoes. As David said it to me many times, this is an object, an artifact. Not a piece of art. It's just funny, a goofy object, you know? And yeah, it looks like a tire. It looks like if Moonrocks and clogs had a baby. I think this is the whole concept. And the thing is, the sizing is huge. It's huge. David's size is, I think, 42 or 43. I'm a small 40, and our both foot fit in it. That's ridiculous. If it was like well proportionate, you know, like smaller, yeah, I would have worn them a lot with skirts, dresses and everything, but on my foot, it's just huge. Look at those. Look at those, come on. Tell me the truth. Tell it to me. And I get it, to be fashion, disruptive, like unique, looking like bizarre and everything, but if I'm not wearing it all the time, no. Not even that, because it's already the case for most of my shoots, but I don't know how to explain it. It's just a no. That's it. And sometimes it's a crush, sometimes it's not. and this time it's not it, you know? You know what I can do with the money that I'm gonna get back is to buy the classic Crocs and then to buy on AliExpress the little like silver jewels, let's say, to give like this kind of aspect on the shoes, you know what I mean? But honestly, it's a cool shoe, but the proportion, the execution is not it. Seriously, it's not for me. So yeah, bye Balenciaga's hard crocs. So yeah, let me know in the comment what you think about this purchase. Did I did right to grow up and to send it back? Or did I did a huge mistakes? I don't think so though, but yeah. That was it for today. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.
Did you give yourself away again?